From Muhlenberg College, I'm Megan Brown, Student Director of the Institute of Public Opinion. Muhlenberg and the University of Michigan recently released the latest report from National Survey on Energy and Environment, marking the 10th anniversary of this collaborative survey. So how have Americans' views on climate changed over time, and where do they stand now? Here's what you need to know about the latest National Survey on Energy and Environment. Skepticism of global warming is lower than ever. In our latest survey, just 13% of Americans don't see solid evidence of global warming, marking the lowest level of skepticism in 21 surveys dating back to 2008. Americans who acknowledge global warming are gaining confidence in their belief. Nearly half of the Americans who believe in global warming express strong confidence in their beliefs. In 2008, only a third of Americans had that same level of confidence. But belief in global warming varies greatly along political lines. Nearly 90% of Democrats believe there is solid evidence of global warming, while less than 60% of Republicans feel the same way. Independents fall squarely in the middle, with about 75% pointing to a strong evidence of warmer climate, and according to your religious affiliation and demographic background. Statistically, individuals who identified as atheist, agnostic, or Jewish had the highest level of climate change acceptance, while evangelical Christians had the lowest. The highest levels of acceptance among demographic groups included 90% of Asian Americans, 87% of African Americans, and 82% of Hispanic and Latino populations. Only 65% of white Americans believe solid evidence exists. Most Americans believe that humans are responsible for climate change. In our latest survey, approximately 60% of Americans surveyed said that humans have influenced the planet's climate. But as with belief in global warming itself, the role of humanity on global warming has remained sharply contested along political party lines. Personal experience is one of the most influential factors for both believers and skeptics. Survey respondents cited their personal experience with higher temperatures, extreme weather events, and reports of declining glaciers and polar ice as the most influential factors impacting climate change beliefs. Interesting enough, similar experiences held weight for skeptics who pointed to recent cold winters as well as doubts about the integrity of scientific studies as their reasons for disbelief in global warming. To learn more about the findings of this latest report, as well as other state and national surveys, visit the Muhlenberg College Institute of Public Opinion website at muhlenberg.edu/polling.